And now, weather with meteorologist Natalie Nunn, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Welcome back, everyone. 5:15 on this Friday morning. We're starting off weirdly warm across the Ozarks. I walked out this morning to my car and I thought, ooh, this is an odd feeling for November. We're windy and we're very warm. Temperatures are at 66 degrees. We're setting a new record warm low for those overnight temperatures. So as you head off, let's go ahead and get right to it. Yellow light simply because it's windy and those high profile vehicles could have a little bit of a time, 6, 7, 8 a.m. For your commute back home, I think this is where things are going to start to get active. 4 and 5 o'clock, we may start to see a chance for a few showers and storms popping up. By 5 to 6 o'clock, I think we're really going to see those western counties starting to deal with severe weather. So that's something that we're going to watch closely as we progress throughout this afternoon into this evening. For today, high temperatures, upper 70s. I mean, it's going to be unseasonably warm. South winds gusting up to 35 miles per hour before this front moves through. And ahead of this front, we're going to start with southerly winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour tonight. And then once the front moves through, it should die down just a little bit. And temperatures are actually going to be much cooler, much cooler. We're going to see a low of 42 degrees. The chance of rain will exit the area quickly overnight and we'll probably start tomorrow off pretty dry. Here's what the satellite and radar is showing right now. Cloud coverage. You can see a few showers in eastern Oklahoma and Kansas. It's a possibility that we could see a little bit of rain early. But the main system that we're watching is this cold front stretching to the northern part of Kansas into Nebraska. We're going to watch this push through our area late this evening and bring the threat of severe weather with it. Let's time it out hour by hour. This isn't lunchtime. There's that few scattered showers. I think at daybreak we'll have a little bit showing up on the radar. But as we head into the late afternoon, think 5 o'clock, we're going to start to see this line of showers and storms come together a little bit more and really start to pack more of a punch as it pushes farther to the east. This is at 5:30 p.m. I think some of our far western places, those along I-49, will start to see the chance for maybe some severe weather. 2 hours later, it's going to show this model shows a very well-formed line as that cold front pushes through. I think that's a possibility. We could see some tornadoes spin up. They would be very brief in nature because we just don't have a lot of instability with this, but that is a possibility at 8 p.m. Starting to see some stronger storms Springfield and into like Branson and Harrison. So think of a long line from north to south. And then by 9 p.m., that's going to continue to push further to the east. Springfield starting to clear the area, and then as it moves out, I think by 2 a.m. we're going to be mostly clear. Extreme eastern counties will be dealing with that, could be seeing some severe weather, and then we'll clear out for your Saturday and probably see some sunshine quite quickly. Here's the greatest threat for today. The Storm Prediction Center has put us under a slight risk, so a 2 out of a 5 for our counties south of Springfield. It's a bigger threat if you're heading down to like Dallas, south of Fayetteville, Fort Smith, Arkansas. The tornado threat is very isolated and low. Our biggest risk for today, large hail, very strong winds, and flooding could be an issue because I do think that we are going to see 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts in some of those thunderstorms. We'll take the rain because we just need so much of it. 7-day forecast, active today's forecast, but then as we move through the weekend, decreasing clouds and cooler on Saturday, change those clocks back into Sunday and then back to the 70s next